the Propulsion and Energy Lab at Purdue University, we are focused on the leading research of propulsion and sustainable aviation. We are working with one of the world's most advanced hydrogen drones, and here's what makes it so special. This is the Doosan DS-30W, a next-generation hydrogen fuel cell drone designed for unmatched endurance, efficiency, and capability. Its core is a clean energy breakthrough. The DS-30W carries compressed hydrogen, which is converted inside this fuel cell into electricity. That electricity powers the rotor along with the rest of the drone, delivering a smooth, steady lift with no emissions, no combustion, and almost silent operation. The result? Up to 2 hours of continuous flight and a range of nearly 80 kilometers on a single tank, over 4 times longer than many battery-powered drones. And when it's time to refuel, a quick tank swap gets you back in the air in minutes. A semi-monocoque carbon fiber frame keeps weight just over 21 kilograms of a tank, while allowing it to lift payloads up to 3 kilograms, including high-resolution cameras, LiDAR, and other advanced sensors. Strong lift, exceptional stability, and quiet flight make it ideal for both industrial and environmental missions. The foldable arms and one-touch locking system make setup and transfer simple, while the modular payload bay means you can switch tools in the field in minutes, adapting quickly to changing mission needs. It's also built for tough environments, maintaining precision in winds up to 12 meters per second. Intelligent flight control, real-time fuel monitoring, and automated return-to-home systems add layers of safety and reliability to every mission. At around $120,000 US, the DS-30W is a professional-grade investment, delivering zero-emission operation, industry-leading flight endurance, and proven stability all in one complete platform. Here at the Propulsion and Energy Lab, we're using the DS-30W to push the limits of clean aero technology, from remote refilling to environmental research and inspection, all powered by hydrogen. Want to learn more? Follow us for updates on hydrogen, drones, and aerospace innovation.